Hi, I'm Anas. I'm going to discuss something about the fastest growing programming language, Python. Before going to discuss about Python, I wish to talk something about the programming languages. Programming languages are formal languages which consist of a set of instructions which produce various kinds of outputs. Most programming languages consist of instructions to computers. There are around 600 programming languages. The demand and popularity of programming languages fluctuates in every year, and new programming languages are coming with attractive features. Some popular programming languages are C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Swift, Ruby, Kotlin, Python, etc. Learning new programming languages is always an investment to your time and brain power. But you have to take much care while selecting a programming language. The following are the characteristic of a programming language which have to be considered while selecting a programming language. The first characteristic is the programming language should be a mainstream programming language, and also it should be a firmly established one. The second characteristic is it should be top ranked. There are a lot of ranking frameworks for programming language. That frameworks produces the priority list or rank list in each year, and from this rank list you have to pick one should be top ranked. The third characteristic you have to consider is the popularity of the programming language. The popularity of the programming language should be increasing or at least stable. It should not be in the decreasing mode. The fourth characteristic you have to consider is the existence of libraries or packages in the programming language. A programming language should be a multi-purpose programming language. For that one, there should be enough libraries for doing different activities by using a single programming language. Another major characteristic you have to consider is the demand of the programming language in the job market. Next, I wish to talk something about the leading programming language, Python. The programming language was introduced by Guido van Rossum in 1989. From the beginning itself, the programming language Python focused on developer experience, and the Python tried to lower the barrier to programming. Python became popular after introducing Python 3 in 2008. The important features of Python are: first one, the language, its language design. Compared to other programming language, the language design of the Python is very much helpful for the user. Another feature is its integration with other programming languages, especially for C, C++, etc. The main feature of Python is its powerful tool set. Especially for mathematics, statistics, and computer science. There are a lot of packages or libraries like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, etc. for tackling the problems related to mathematics or statistics. Python dominates machine language, machine learning, deep learning, and data science landscape. Python have a large community and a large group of supportive people. One of the ranking framework, PYPL, placed number 1 programming language. In 2019, and another IEEE Spectrum placed Python as the number 1 programming language from 2017 onwards. And GitHub placed Python as the number 2 programming language in 2019, and according to their data, 14.75% of the programmers are active users of Python. Another ranking framework, TOP Index, placed Python as the number 3 programming language. So Python is one of the most suitable choice for a program. Thank you.